Namaste viewer, in this video we learn about metaform command. This command creates a unformed shape of a complex model. You can find command in menu, insert, advanced sheet metal and metaform. Start region, select face. Select here tangent face and select face. Next, the end region, select one face of any. Next, transform geometry. Select entire model and in boundary condition, point to point, point along cones, curve to curves, curve to curves. Select the circle curve and apply. It takes several minutes to perform this command. So this is the metaform command. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.